Welcome to the virtual open house tour for 77 Brundige Road in Valley Falls, New York. There's so much to love about this spacious and well-maintained center hall colonial, perched on its 1.3-acre lot with beautiful mountain views. This lovely 4-bed, 2.5-bathroom home is tucked away in its secluded oasis, but still close to shopping and schools. Moving to the custom website 77brundige.com, you can see the Matterport virtual reality tour right on the home page. We can get an idea of the home's layout using the dollhouse function. Let's jump into the home to see all of its beautiful features. Off of the gorgeous open porch and through the front door, we are welcomed by the fantastic study to the left-hand side, complete with a gas fireplace and 2 large windows for plenty of bright natural light. Moving to the right side, we can see the formal dining area. Well-maintained hardwood floors can be seen throughout this room. Continuing from the dining room, we see the beautiful eat-in kitchen with an ample amount of custom wood cabinetry and generous countertops. Off of the kitchen is another dining area with a sliding glass door leading to the deck, which overlooks the scenic backyard space. Walking forward from there, we can see the bright living area, the perfect space for family movie nights. Down the hall from the kitchen is the first floor half bathroom with convenient laundry hookups hidden behind sliding doors. At the end of the hallway is an access door leading to the spacious 2-car garage. Making our way to the front of the house, we can head upstairs to the main bedrooms. At the top of the stairs to the left-hand side is a room perfect for crafts or a nursery. Across the hall is a full bathroom, and moving to the end of the hall we can find 2 more bedrooms, each with beautiful wood trim and gleaming with natural light. '77 Brundige also has central air conditioning, so everyone is sure to be at a comfortable temperature year-round. At the other end of the hall, we can find the spacious master suite, complete with a large gas fireplace to keep you warm and cozy during the winter months. This room features plenty of space for all of your bedroom furniture and more. The walk-in closet has many different storage utilities to keep all of your clothes in order. The master suite also has an attached bathroom with a beautiful 2-sink vanity and separate shower and tub for all of your relaxation needs. Moving back into the Matterport dollhouse view, we can jump into the spacious finished basement. This large area is perfect for family game nights and entertainment. The basement also has an egress as well as multiple extra areas for storage. Moving back to the custom website 77brundige.com, we can see where this gorgeous home sits on the map. Located in Hoosick Valley School District, 77 Brundige is surrounded by nature. Only minutes from the pristine Tomhannock Reservior and a short commute to Scotticoke, Johnsonville, and Mechanicville, and an easy drive to Round Lake and Interstate 87. On the front porch, we can see a 360-degree view of this bright and sunny area, overlooking the nature and splendor of Valley Falls. Moving to the back porch, we can see the spacious and secluded lot on which this home sits. Thank you for viewing the virtual open house tour for 77 Brundige Road in Valley Falls, New York. To guide yourself on your own tour, visit 77brundige.com to see the Matterport virtual reality tour right on the homepage. And for any questions, feel free to call Michael Pandolfo at 518-466-2128.